Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility. The 2026 Infiniti QX60 Sport is here, and it's redefining what premium midsize SUVs can deliver, especially for those who value both athletic elegance and advanced technology. From the outside, the QX60 Sport immediately commands attention with its assertive yet refined presence. The front fascia features a blacked-out mesh grille with a more aggressive design than the standard model, flanked by adaptive LED headlights that stretch like blades toward the fenders. The lower bumper sports larger air intakes and a satin chrome lip that subtly hints at its performance edge. The hood carries sharp character lines that flow seamlessly into a sculpted body, creating a dynamic profile that looks poised even at a standstill. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels come standard, and a new optional 21-inch design adds an even bolder look. The side profile is sleek and tapered, with black window surrounds and sporty rocker panels that give the QX60 Sport a lower, more grounded stance. At the rear, the taillights feature a smoked finish with a connected light bar design that gives a futuristic touch. A subtle roof spoiler, black rear diffuser, and dual chrome-tipped exhaust outlets finish off the exterior with a confident flourish. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 QX60 Sport is a perfect blend of sportiness and luxury. You're greeted with quilted semi-aniline leather seats that come in exclusive colorways like graphite red and midnight slate. Contrast stitching and aluminum trim run across the dash and doors, providing a tactile sense of craftsmanship. The D-shaped steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and includes paddle shifters for a more engaging drive. Front seats offer heating, cooling, and massage functions, while the second row provides ample legroom and sliding adjustment to prioritize comfort or cargo. Ambient lighting has been upgraded with customizable themes to suit your mood. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard, seamlessly integrated into a flowing design with minimal clutter. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available 17-speaker Bose Performance audio system make the cabin a haven for connected driving. The center console includes a drive mode selector with new Sport Plus and individual modes unique to the Sport trim. Under the hood, the 2026 QX60 Sport is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine tuned for better throttle response and paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It delivers 300 horsepower and 270 lb-ft of torque, with sport-tuned suspension and reworked dampers offering a more planted, responsive feel on twisty roads or highway cruises. This isn't just about speed, it's about refinement in motion, with sound insulation and active noise cancellation creating a serene yet thrilling drive. Now, let's take a step back and look at the history. The QX60, originally launched as the JX35,